Hi, my name is Stefan Neumans from W3 Lab and welcome to our guide to websites for small business owners. Do you want to know what CMS and WordPress means? Stay tuned in the next few minutes to find out. Hi and welcome back. In today's segment we're going to talk about WordPress and content management systems, or CMS. We've only talked about WordPress and content management systems just for a little bit in our previous video, but in this one we'll much more expand on it. Namely, WordPress is one of the most popular CMSs, but before we talk about WordPress, let's talk what CMS is. Content management systems allow you much easier and faster developing of your website. And to best explain it, we'll use an analogy. Let's say that you have to write and file a daily report. And instead of writing that report from scratch, from the ground up, you have a template, and within that template you only fill in the stuff that changes, the variables. The same applies to websites. Instead of having to write that website from the ground up, to write that code, everything from scratch, you have a content management system. That template, actually thousands of them, numerous very different templates, within which you just fill in the blanks, something that you need, something that varies. That could be a very dumbed down but accurate enough description of what a content management system represents. WordPress is one such CMS. It's free, open source, and is based on PHP and MySQL. Over 60 million websites are using WordPress, and that represents over 30.6% of all top websites in the world. One of the many advantages of having a WordPress solution are WordPress themes. Themes would allow you to quickly change and customize the looks and functionality of your website. If you need a website for your small business, WordPress solutions may be a way to go. They usually take less time to develop and cost less, and they do not lose any of the product quality in the process. Okay, this has been the short and sweet explanation of what a WordPress website is. If you have any questions, suggestions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and we'll get to them as soon as we can. In the next segment we're going to talk about e-commerce websites. I want to thank you for your attention and have a great day.